は？
Let's go!
Ang tagal na din pala, no? Pag-August na pala, hindi ko pala namalayan. Sorry, I didn't know. Anyway, ayun nga, baka nga busy sa school, ayun, ganun. Sorry, kaya na lang ulit nakakapag-upload. Anyways, lagi naman ako updated sa mga shorts ko, kaya if you wanna watch my short, go watch it. Thank y'all. Love you. Anyhow, welcome to another episode. And right now, we're on our 12th episode. Oh my god. I didn't know. Tada! I cannot believe it. Oh my god. Bebe. Si ano yun? Si Panini. Just all you know. Aming baby dog na birthday kahapon. Happy birthday. I love you. As you all can see here nga, bali may mga apat na intros here or yung MVs ko. Bali, yung mga 4 clips na yun is gusto ko sana kasi so kayo na lang judge kung anong gusto nyo kung alin dyan sa apat na yan. Syempre, I so yung opinions from other people na, diba? If I wanna be some content creator. Sige na, go! Oh, 'di ba? Nakalapi na tayo. Kasi puro ano kasi tayo phone, kiddie cam. So naisipan ko, what if gumamit naman ako ng laptop? Syempre, it's my own oo Charis. Hindi, ganito kasi. Like, gusto ko lang mag-video sa laptop. Kasi, ang nakikita ko kasi is parang lagi na lang nakikita nyo yung naka-phone, naka-kiddie cam. So, what if I try something new, 'di ba? Uy, Here are some random pics sa kiddicam ko. I hope you all enjoy. Love you. Oh, ito na oh. Real na to, real. Konting ayos here and konting ayos there. Yan. Perfect. Anywho, hello guys. Ang hindi mag-hello dyan, walang kiss. Oh, eh. Diyos ko naman. Nahiya pa ang person. Gago. Hey!
Who is
Kasama
that?
nga pala here yung bebe.
You see that? Who is that in
Siyempre,
the monitor?
sila always will be my bebe no matter what
In the
happens.
monitor.
Paki nyo ba?
In the
Bahala kayo
monitor.
dyan.
In the monitor. Who is that in the monitor? Opo, ang ganda-ganda naman ng batang yan. Wow, wow, wow. Meow. Meow.
Ano, just some random pics nga kasi is my random TikTok haul. Oo eh. And bahala na kayo dyan, manood na lang kayo. Diyos ko, dami mong tawa here sa video mo. Sento kan self. Kaurat ka ay. So for our first haul, here's some Acai Berry Beauty. A healthy drink for our skin to glow as only as 7 days. For our second product from TikTok is some Daily Plus Whitening Tomato. So, ito yung mga maliliit na capsule na iniinom mo. So, this capsule helps for repair your skin whitening to its long-lasting feeling. The third product is the Bachelor. For skin glow as no one can remembers you.
Bitch. Wonderful dream. And life's a road to go. Now and forever wonderful dream. That's a road in one of these flow. Good. I like that. And breathe. Oh my god, may walking sa
At this point, this is me taking my first day of drinking my favorite juice, the Acai Berry Beauty. Here are some tutorials or instructions on how you can drink your favorite juice, which is the Acai Berry Beauty.
Sarap.
The next day. As you can see here, this is the next day of doing my TikTok hauls from TikTok. But kasi naulang dumating yung mga products. Kainis tuloy. Kaorat. Busit. As you can see here, so we have the Hickory Sunscreen. Hickory Sunscreen is for repairing skin as white as snow. And for our next product, we have the Azaline Bar Soap, which is for the use of only 2 days, just day and night only, no afternoon, and so whatever. This is the last vid, I guess. And as you can see here nga, kakatapos ko lang maligo nito. And ayun nga, hindi na ako natulog kasi nga dumating nga yung parcel ko from TikTok. Is naman, bullshit. Kaura. Anyways, I'm opening here nga pala yung aloe vera, which is the moisturizer, as you can see here in my hand. It can moisturize all the things that can be cleansed to your face and throughout your body. The third day of unboxing my TikTok haul. Ito, totoo na talaga to. Last vid na to ha, hindi ko kasi alam kung anong ilalagay ko dito eh. Visit. Pagpasensya nyo na po. Sorry, my bad. Karat niya si self. Visit. Sorry. Love you all. Mwah.
Pansak. I'm joking. Maging. So sweet.
As you can see here, we have the Milky Gluta White Soap for a glow skin. As that, be who you are and love yourself first before loving other people. Ito na naman siya oh. Ito na naman. Nagpapaitok na naman siya oh. Buset. Nagalit. Kawawa ka naman po. Agoy match. Okay lang yan. Magkakaroon ka spending time with him or her. OA. Bahala na kayo dyan. Malalaki na naman kayo. Sige, go. Kaya nyo na yan. Go, go, go. Anyways, I hope you all love this one as much as I do. Kaya don't hesitate to like and give it a like and react and comment to this video. And sana I hope mag-boom na talaga yung video na to. Please, gusto ko nun sumikat. Iyo ko na sa inyo. Bahala na kayo. Nagtampo ka orat. Gaguhan ba to, ha? Charis, love you.
Who is that?